Is your mouse cursor vanishing in Windows 10? Don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest fix. No downloads or tech skills needed. Just follow these steps. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Device Manager and hit Enter. Now press the Tab key to navigate. Use the arrow keys to scroll down to mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand the list, then select your mouse device and press Enter. Next, press Tab again to jump to the Driver tab. Use the arrow keys to highlight Uninstall Device. Then press Enter twice to confirm. Finally, press the Windows key, use the arrow keys to select Shut Down, and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, and your cursor should be back. That's it. If this worked, drop a thumbs up below. Still stuck? Comment, help, and I'll reply ASAP. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.